Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every week. This is going to be the second episode of my Christmas series. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make fruitcakes. Fruitcakes has become part and parcel of Christmas. It is usually served in celebration of Christmas together with a leg of ham, queso de bola, salad, and fruits. Fruitcake is made with a mixture of candied or dried fruits, mixed nuts, and spices, and is usually soaked in spirits. But today, what we're going to make is a fruitcake that has no alcohol in it. So this fruitcake is going to be for the young and old. A very beautiful and delicious fruitcake, Christmas fruitcake. The ingredients are 2 cups of glazed fruit, 1 1/4 cup of raisin, 3/4 cup of walnuts, 1/3 cup of cashew nuts, 1/3 cup of pistachio, 1/3 cup of almond, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1/3 cup of orange juice, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/3 of butter, 1/3 cup of butter, another cup of mixed fruits, and of course, 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, we're going to start mixing. But first, you prepare the pans. I'm going to use 2 silicone molds, or you can use 2 5 or 6 inches round pans, or 2 rectangular pans, or loaf pans 7 by 3 inches. Now, I'm going to start with the nuts. 2 glazed fruit nuts. This is local glazed fruit nuts, 1 cup. And 1 cup is the imported glazed fruit nuts. Mix the raisin, 1 1/3 cup. And then the lemon zest, 1 teaspoon. The lemon, 1 tablespoon. And the orange juice, 1/3 cup. We're going to set this aside. You can put this in the ref for a few hours so that you can soften the dried fruits and raisin. Set this aside. Then we're going to mix the nuts. Cashew nuts, pistachio nuts, almonds, chopped walnuts. We're going to mix this. Leave some for toppings. Whole walnut. Set this aside. Then we're going to cream the butter. Add the sugar, brown sugar, and the white sugar. Add the eggs, 1 at a time. Another egg. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now here's the soaked mixed glazed fruits and raisins. We're going to add 1 1/2 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of coffee. We're going to mix the nuts. We're going to add the baking powder to the flour and the baking soda. Should always sift the baking soda. salt. And we're going to add the flour. And the nuts, and the mixed nuts and fruits. Mix everything until well combined. Do not overmix. And put the walnuts and the pistachio. Okay, we're going to bake this at 300 for at least 1.5 hours. Check at 1 and 15 minutes. We're going to bake this Myrna Maria style. I place a tray of water under, and then we're going to put this pan over the pan of water. Now our fruit cake is out of the oven. Bake at 300 for 1 hour and 15 minutes. 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now we're going to let this cool for 10 minutes and then unmold. Unmold. Ta-da! Beautiful. There. So nice. So beautiful. Going to brush this with light corn syrup. Look how pretty. Then we're going to let this cool before we decorate with fresh fruits. To serve, we're going to decorate this with fruits, fresh fruits on top. There, that's how you serve. There you have it, my fruit cakes. So pretty and so yummy with no alcohol for the Christmas season, for the young and the old. So nice. Another one. So pretty. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next Christmas episode. Enjoy!